Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure MetaMask securely for DeFi privacy step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the official MetaMask website. Ensure you are on the correct site by verifying the URL is metamask.io. Click on the download button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select the appropriate option for your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or another supported browser. After the download finishes, open the extension installation file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the MetaMask extension to your browser. Once installed, locate the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. You will be presented with an introductory screen. Click on Get Started. If you are new to MetaMask, select Create a Wallet. Read through the terms of service, then click on I agree to proceed. You will be prompted to create a strong password. Make sure the password is unique and secure. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Click on Create to finalize your wallet setup. MetaMask will now provide you with a recovery phrase known as the secret recovery phrase. This is a critical step. Write down the recovery phrase on paper and store it in a secure location. Do not share this phrase with anyone, as it grants access to your wallet. After you've noted it down, click Next. You will be asked to verify your secret recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Once verified, click Confirm to complete the wallet setup. Your MetaMask wallet is now created and ready for use. To enhance privacy, go to the settings by clicking on the profile icon. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy section. Enable features such as use advanced gas fees and show conversion rates for more control. Consider using a VPN while accessing DeFi platforms to further protect your privacy. You can now start exploring various DeFi platforms securely using your MetaMask wallet. Always ensure you keep your wallet and recovery phrase secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.